Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Ahmad and you're watching Crypto A. So what up guys, today I'll be talking mainly about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently trading around 29,000 US dollars, and today what I can tell you in this chart, it's really quite bullish in my opinion, only if it breaks to the upside above 31,000 US dollars. So now on the left hand side here in this textbook ascending triangle, you can see here there is support resistance, and it's a flat upper trend line, and it has a continuation trend to the upside, which is about 70%, and it has a very low chance to break to the downside. So you can see here in where I'm marking on yellow, it's support resistance. Then if it can break up and retest this pattern, it will be very extremely bullish. And as you can see here on the right hand side, there are similarities: support resistance, and then hoping to break this bull pennant, then break this ceiling and flip it into support, from resistance into support. So let me take out all these yellow marks, and what I can tell you here right now is really this is going to happen soon. It has like an approximately 30 days or less. Let's say in 2 to 3 weeks time, you'll see a real breakout. You can see here that previously it did do a bull flag and break to the upside, did do another bull flag and break to the upside again, and for the third time in a row I'm hoping for it to break out, but this time it will bounce quickly. So it will be a very big move in my opinion, and the bears will be giving up at that very moment. So let's clear this chart, all this mess now. And another thing I would like to talk about is this RSI trend line. You can see here there's like bounces, multiple bounces, but there was a breakdown, and it did do a fake out. So as you can see here, it did like a small W pattern, then it went back above the trend line, and now it's busy trying to test it as support. And I'm busy watching this very closely at the moment, because this is still a potential to go to the upside. So in my opinion, we are still in an uptrend, and as you know, the trend is always your friend until the very end. So what I'm expecting here, there's still no evidence showing that it's going to break to the downside unless proven otherwise. So let me show you this chart right here. This is also the weekly Bitcoin chart. You can see here there is the 200 simple moving average, and also I just would like to show you guys, a lot of people are talking about this bearish divergence. This bearish divergence, as you can see here down in the RSI, it is a higher low, and on top on the chart, in the candlesticks, you can see it's doing a higher high. So this is a divergence, and usually divergence can play around sideways action or break to the downside, but unless proven otherwise. So still, this trend is still our friend. You can see we are having lower highs, multiple lower highs. So if this breaks and flip it into resistance and have a bearish retest, I'll be exiting all my position, most of my position actually, and wait for more confirmation and more downside buyback opportunity. So there is like 20,000, 25,000, so there it's potential downside, then we can go to the upside, but this is still not proven at the moment. And this is really I can see here it doesn't look like it's happening, because you can see here in the 200 simple moving average, we are still bullish. here in this red line, and also in this yellow line it's bouncing on top of it. So I can see that we are still good, until proven otherwise. So at the moment, if there are any signs of bearishness by next week, I will have to upload another video and explain what are my down targets around 22, 25 and why I'm expecting those levels. So let's get to CoinDesk and see some crypto news. You can see here that there are some couple of news. Coinbase sets public launch of base layer 2 blockchain for next week. And if I scroll down and see what other news are there, as you can see here, Bitcoin steady at 29.2k as market dormant in Asia session. The large cryptocurrency by market cap is likely to remain stubborn, range bound a little above 29,000. A number of analysts are saying, let's not continue with that. But on the left hand side you can see there's still more bullish news. Bitcoin whale Michael Saylor might buy a lot more Bitcoin. You can see Binance could face US fraud, but I'm not paying much attention to that. So let's get to the fear and greed index. As you can see, the fear and greed index is neutral at the moment at 54, and there's not much happening in the markets in the very moment. You can see that most of the people who are in crypto are either too bullish and too bearish, so it's actually neutral. So people are not gonna expect much of the market till a week or so. So guys, if you'd like to know what I'm buying in this bull market, you can join my Telegram group in the description down below. So hope you guys can know what's happening in the market. I'll be posting every week now and then what's my opinion and what I'm looking at. And as you know, so far so good. I haven't been making any false signals at the very moment, and all of my signals is quite accurate actually. So hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the bell, subscribe, and please share this video.